Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft in yet another speed test comparison between the dual drive Luxe and the Acer UF300. And this is USB 3.2 Gen 1 pen drive guys compared to the SanDisk dual drive Luxe. And I've been using this pen drive for a very long time, and the specialty over here is the Type-C connector along with the USB-A. And I feel this is one of the best looking pen drives available in the market, so I just want to test it with this particular pen drive, the Acer UF300. And I've been testing a lot many pen drives recently, so I just want to know what's the best speed which you get and which one should you buy. And by the way guys, this got some red dot certification and all. And let me just show you the build quality. The build quality is really awesome of both the pen drives, as you can see over here, and both are extremely light. They are almost of the same size guys, so I would not differentiate either of this, but the Acer is slightly a bit smaller, I would say. But then the SanDisk dual drive Luxe have the advantage of having a Type-C, and you can connect this natively to your MacBook and all. So if you are using a MacBook and Android phone, so I would say definitely go with this particular dual drive Luxe, because simply the Type-C is a very handy nifty tools. And by the way, the Acer is made in China, whereas the SanDisk is made in Malaysia guys. And I feel both of these pen drives are really good, and I was testing the Acer with television also, and both of these pen drives are also compatible with TV and all. So let me just show you what I've done. So for D drive I've connected the Acer, and for the E drive I've connected the SanDisk dual drive Luxe. And by the way, what I'm doing over here is a speed test, and let me just see what is the best speed we get with either of this particular pen drive size. And as you know over here, I've been using SanDisk dual drive Luxe for almost a month now, and I feel it is one of the best pen drives which is available in the market guys. Simply this is the fastest in my review test. So again, I'm just simply doing it because most of the people would like to watch Acer versus SanDisk. And by the way, none of these companies, neither Acer or SanDisk, is sponsoring in this particular video, so this is my unbiased review. So I'm using the Crystal Dismark with its peak performance. Okay, and as you can see, the dual drive Luxe is almost 400 Mbps, whereas the Acer UF300 is 114.56. And if you like this kind of videos, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates. Also, we are very much active on social media, so you can also follow us on social media at the rate CreativeSoft on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And let me know in the comments below what you think about this kind of speed test which we do. And I simply feel this is one of the best pen drives which is available in the market. That is the SanDisk dual drive Luxe, and I haven't come across any pen drive which beats this right now in the test. Again, I'm yet to compare with the likes of something like the Samsung and all. And so basically I just want to do a speed test of the Samsung when I'm getting the Samsung pen drive guys. So in this video, so what we can see over here is the write speed of the SanDisk dual drive Luxe Gold is 131 Mbps, which is very fast guys. This is like some basic SSD territory. And as you can see, the Acer is to some extent a bit disappointing. It is almost like 50 Mbps guys, and I feel for the price range, I mean both of these pen drives are similarly priced, then definitely I would recommend to go with the SanDisk dual drive Luxe, the gold one, especially because the gold is my favorite, the new favorite I would say. And you can even buy the silver one if you want it, but I would say if you have a golden MacBook to match with this particular gold dual drive Luxe, I think nothing gets better than this. And even the red dot award winner of 2022, the Acer UF300, is also very good guys. So personally I had been using this Acer for maybe like 2 to 3 days now, and I feel the Acer is also good. So again, it depends on which design you like it. And if you are simply going to use this with the television and all, then I would say save some money and get the cheapest one. So I'll be putting the link in the description. You all can check that out to get this from Amazon for a discounted rate. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. please subscribe to our channel, and also do check out these awesome videos which we have it. Let me know in the comments below which you are thinking of buying, and what are your thoughts about Acer versus SanDisk. Again guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.